Introducing our TCK CNC Turning Center, built for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a Siemens 8-to-8D control system and a large touchscreen. It offers easy operation and reliable performance. The hydraulic chuck ensures strong clamping, while the 12-station VDI turret enables fast and accurate tool changes. A hydraulic tailstock provides stable support for longer workpieces, with its slant bed design and chain-type chip conveyor. The machine delivers excellent rigidity and smooth chip removal. Powerful, stable, and efficient, your ideal solution for high-quality turning. Please contact us for detailed information.